Hello beautiful creatures, welcome back to Of Crafts and Curios. Today's video is so exciting as I am unboxing a doll swap from the wonderful fellow Kiwi creator Kreepy Kitty Creations. This will also be my first time using a lapel mic, so if the audio is a little funny here and there, that is why I'm still learning how to use a lapel mic. If you would like to see the doll that I created for Kreepy Kitty Creations as part of the swap, do go check out their channel as they'll be doing an unboxing of the doll that I sent them. I'll leave their details down in the description, but enough chit chat, let's get on to opening the absolutely gorgeous doll that I received from Kreepy Kitty Creations under the theme of Child of Nature. Hello beautiful creatures, welcome back to Of Crafts and Curios. Today we are doing something a little bit different. I am opening a very exciting package from the wonderful Kreepy Kitty Creations here on YouTube. She is a fellow doll creator from New Zealand, and we decided months ago that we would do a swap just to kind of celebrate finding someone else in the community that was also in New Zealand. So I'm so excited to be opening this package today. I cannot wait to see what they have created. Our theme for our swap was Child of Nature, and so I'm very excited to see what direction she took this in. I also want to apologize if the audio in this video is a bit funny. I am actually trying to use a lapel mic for the first time, so hopefully all goes well. Alright, so I've gone ahead and blocked out my address, and I'm gonna try and open this awesome giant box up. So starting with this little package of goodies, there's a little note that I'm gonna go ahead and read off screen just in case there's anything personal in it or our names are used or anything like that. There's also these cute little extras. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh, I love these foam flowers, petals. Oh, so cool. Oh my goodness, little dried baby's breath. Thank you so much. These are so exciting. Oh, little ladybugs. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to do bug theme after bug theme with my new obsession. All right. And now we get into the main event. Okay. Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh my gosh, I can already see the stand. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Holy moly. Okay, let us reveal. Oh my goodness, we are so, oh my gosh, I can see her gorgeous face. All right, I'm gonna stand her up and gently remove this absolutely gorgeous fabric. Oh my gosh. She is so beautiful, holy moly. Oh my gosh, so this beautiful card and her little mascot, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna change the camera angle so that you can see what I am seeing. Holy moly. This is just gonna be me geeking out for like 5 minutes straight. Oh my God, she is beautiful. I am blown away, holy. Oh my goodness, she is so beautiful. She included this gorgeous little basket that I am so excited to open. Oh my gosh. Let's see what beautiful things are in here. Oh my gosh. Kreepy Kitty Creations has outdone herself. This is just so gorgeous. I am so excited. Little herbs and flowers. Oh my goodness. Little spell jars. Let's see if I can get her to hold it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. I am absolutely blown away by this headpiece. These antlers made of like roots and flowers and these beautiful felted ears. The amount of detail that has gone into this doll with these beautiful real eyelashes. I am blown away. I am just in awe. It is insane to think that Kreepy Kitty Creations made this with their own hands. And these beautiful Kreepy Kitty Creations makes the most gorgeous clothing for dolls. Like, we are often sharing like behind the scenes on what we're working on currently together in our DMs, and the clothing they make is so intricate and so beautiful, like the best that there is in the doll community. So I'm so excited. I love their little card. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. And their cute little mascot. Oh my gosh, let's see what he is holding. Oh, so cool. Wax seal. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be really careful. I often wax seal things, but I never have to open a wax seal, so this is exciting. Certificate of authenticity. Fauna was handmade with love. Oh, so beautiful. Mohair. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so soft. This is just blowing me away. I am in love with how beautiful this thing is. Like, holy moly. The tiny butterfly. There's just so many details to take in. Oh my gosh, the tiny butterflies. There's so much to see right now. Hello again. It is me returning to you from the editing room. And I'm just going to go through now and show you some of the absolutely gorgeous details in this doll after you sat through the cringe of me saying, oh my god, about 40,000 times, because this doll is just so overwhelmingly beautiful. And I can't believe all the love and work that went into creating this doll for this swap. I just absolutely adore Kreepy Kitty Creations, and if you haven't already, I think you should go subscribe and check out all their beautiful masterpieces, especially their gorgeous, gorgeous outfits that they make for dolls. There are so many details to take in on this little fawn, and one of the ones I love the most is that they tattooed my logo onto the back of the doll. I think that is so beautiful and thoughtful. And yeah, look at this little fairy circle. It is just so beautiful, and I really feel like Kreepy Kitty thought about me as a creator when creating this for me. So it has been such a beautiful experience, and I just love meeting fellow artists in the doll community that you can connect with and explore ideas with. So this has been such a rewarding experience. And please go check out the creation I made for Kreepy Kitty over on their channel. The link is in the description below so that you can see all the love and care I put into creating a doll for them. And if you are new here, do hit that subscribe button, as I will be bringing so much more content this December. I think my Christmas doll is up next, and I cannot wait to keep bringing you silly, fun, creative ideas and things here on the channel. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below on what you're getting up to today. And as always, I'll see you so soon with more crafts and more curios.